Here's what to check whenever you have no power. First of all, we're going to turn our master power on, and we're going to check here on our power. Go here in your Garmin system. Now, whenever your house battery drops below 12 volts, you definitely want to charge it anywhere from 12 to 24 hours for a full charge, which would be anywhere from 13.5 to 14 volts. Now, if it goes below 12, 11, and 10 volts, things are definitely going to start failing, like audio system, lights, and AC. What should we check next? Now, if you can't see your power on your Garmin system, open here next to the toilet, your vanity door, and you'll have your Xantrex inverter. Hit the OK button, and you'll be able to see your voltage. Now, if you can't see your voltage, just charge or plug in your short power cord, and it will start charging, and you will see the indications on your Xantrex inverter.